Good afternoon, class. Today we are going to learn about multiplying with vertical notation. Here we see a binomial being multiplied with a trinomial. The binomial consists of x plus 3 and the trinomial consists of x squared plus 2x plus 1. Now, when multiplying, we have to FOIL or distribute with the outer terms and the inner terms. So let's see here. So the outer terms will consist of x being multiplied with x squared, 2x, and 1. The inner terms will consist of 3 being multiplied with x squared, 2x, and 1. So, x times x squared is equal to x to the power of 3, because technically we could say x to the power of 1 times x to the power of 2 and utilize product rule, because when you have the same base, you just add the exponents, and that will consist of x to the power of 1 plus 2 will give you x to the power of 3 as well. And then x times 2x is considered x to the power of 1 times 2x to the power of 1, which will equal 2 times x to the power of 1 plus 1, which will give you 2x squared. X times 1 is 1x, 3 times x squared is 3x squared. 3 times 2x will equal 6x. 3 times 1 will equal 3. Now, all the solutions on the right-hand side of the equal sign, we want to write out linearly. And so we will have x to the power of 3 plus 2x squared plus 1x plus 3x squared plus 6x plus 3. Now notice that we have shapes representing like terms. So I have a square under 2x squared and 3x squared, and triangles under 1x and 6x. So when we combine like terms, we will have 2x squared plus 3x squared, and that will be 5x squared, and 1x plus 6x, and that will give you 7x. So bring down the x to the power of 3 plus 5x squared plus 7x plus 3 after we combine like terms. If you need online math tutoring, please text 559-744-3169 for services. And please donate on the Cash App with the $ up front, MLBFan. Again, please donate on the Cash App with the $ up front, MLBFAN. Thank you so much. Let's learn math together.